Muslin squares, a must-have for every parent. You can use them in so many different ways, but they can also serve their original purpose as diapers. Here's how. Let's start with a tiny newborn. The most fitting fold in this case would be the Joe fold. To create it, fold the muslin square in half and then fold this half to the middle twice. Open the muslin square in the back and then fold the front part of the muslin square to where the opening starts. Add a separation liner if it's part of your routine. With Joe fold, you cannot go without a snappy fastener. Don't forget to tug the muslin around the hips so that the natural mobility of the hips is not limited in any way. And to show you that the Joe fold is a really tiny fold, we use our mini diaper cover over it, the newborn size, which we made even smaller by adjusting the sizing snaps. We love the Joe fold because it doesn't make a big bump on the bum. It's because the muslin is folded in such a clever way that all the layers are where they're needed the most, between the legs. There are no useless layers in the back. And now the so-called newborn origami fold, or bat fold as it is sometimes called. As well as with the Joe fold, you will need a diaper cover, a muslin square, and the snappy is optional in this case. Spread the muslin square on a flat surface. Fold it in half and then again in half. You get a square. Find one corner of this square that has all the layers free. There's just one corner like that. Grab one layer and pull this corner to the side, creating a triangle. After you flip the whole thing around, grab the loose part of the muslin square and fold it in twice. You might need to add an absorbing layer. We used our organic cotton short insert here. If you use them, add a paper liner or a fleece liner and then put the muslin on your baby, creating something like underwear. No diaper should limit free movement in the hips, ever. So don't forget to tug in the muslin around your baby's hips. You can use a snappy to secure this on your baby, or you can go without, just fold the loose corners in, it works too. Put a diaper cover over the muslin. We used our one size diaper cover here. Bigger babies are sometimes difficult to put in complicated folds as they learn to run or crawl away from you, so you need to change as quickly as possible. In that case, just fold the muslin in thirds, then fold it in half, and then fold it in twice. We must say this is not a very absorbing changing option, so we recommend to add something absorbing, like our organic cotton short insert, for example. For better protection of your diaper cover in the back, you can modify a Joe fold. Just create a Joe fold with your muslin cloth, but instead of securing it on your baby with a snappy, just put the fold in your diaper cover. A muslin square can be used as additional absorbing layer anywhere else. For example, with our potty training pants. We do have a separate video on training pants in case you're interested. Bamboo leek muslin squares are made of organic cotton of European origin and are manufactured in a small sewing factory that employs mums of children under 4 and single mums. Bamboo leek, for people who care.